Welcome to English Blackboard Teacher channel. Welcome to Teacher's English class. Today we are going to see a simple tutorial on the SPM Cefr 2021, the writing paper format. In this video tutorial, the content will be focusing on the writing paper format, how to answer each part and the marking components. As you can see on the blackboard, this is the complete format of the writing paper. There are three parts. Part 1 is short communicative message. Part 2 is guided writing. Part 3 is extended writing. So we will see further in the next slides. The red underlined are the important notes. Part 1 refers to short communicative message. So how to answer, please refer to the short communicative message writing, a complete video tutorial guide. The video provides a step-by-step guide. Part 2 is guided writing. So how to answer this part is basically referring to the directed writing essays that we use to practice in the SPM code format. So points will be given, you need to use all the points and write. As you can see on the blackboard, this is the last part of the writing paper, extended writing. And you can read on the blackboard how to answer and what video tutorial is useful for you. As you can see on the blackboard, this is the marking component for the writing paper. It has 4 parts: content, communicative achievement, organization, and language. For further explanation, you can refer to ICT and ELT blog. The link will be in the description box. That is all for today's lesson. Please do subscribe to English Blackboard Teacher channel to always get updated with our latest tutorial. For resources, please click the links shared on the description box. Thank you.